Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? Whoa, I'm so close to you. Boop. That was something different. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out some more TikTok makeup hacks. This is part number 3. TikTok hacks. Oh, this was way too intense for my rusty muscles. I think I cracked something in here that wasn't supposed to be cracked. This first makeup hack will show us how to get that famous model's glow. How to make our face look snatched. I hate that word so much. I cringe every time I hear it or say it.
Hi guys, today I'm showing you an easy way to get that super healthy model's glow. Draw an upside down triangle from the ends of your brows to your cupid's bow and fill it in with concealer or foundation that is lighter than the rest of your face. Blend that out and there you have it. This technique enhances your natural face structure and gives you a very healthy glow.
So we're gonna start off from our brows here, applying a lighter shade of concealer, then from the tail to the cupid's bow. Alright, okay. Boom! This looks very interesting. It's definitely something different that I've never tried before. It's a very different technique of highlighting your face. Oh my god, I look like a low-budget superhero. Pew, pew. My concealer is my weapon. Pew. Alright, now that I have the Bermuda Triangle on my face, before I blend it out, I actually want to try out one more TikTok hack. We're basically going to combine 2 TikTok makeup hacks and see what happens. So this next TikTok hack will show us how to... Let's just watch it.
Instead of spending money on an expensive color corrector, go to a drugstore and buy an orange lipstick. Blend! Finish your makeup and your eye bags will literally be non-existent.
Nice! Let's give it a go. I've literally had this lipstick for years. Ears, not ears. I'm gonna apply this under my eyes. Whoa! Oh, my low-budget superhero makeup just got better. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Do you think that I applied a little bit too much? Probably. Alright, so before I start blending it out, obviously, I need to apply some concealer on top of that red lipstick. Or maybe I blend the red lipstick first and then I apply the concealer on top. Instructions not clear. Okay, let's try blending it out first. Some concealer on top. I kind of messed it up here, huh? This side is definitely doing better. I'm gonna blend out the triangle first, and then I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with the concealer under my eyes. We're gonna deal with one problem at a time. I mean, one hack at a time. I added a little bit more concealer under my eyes just to cover up that orange lipstick. Oh wow, my under eye area looks good. I'm gonna kind of redo the triangle here, the highlighting part, because I think that I lost some of it with all that blending. I mean, we need to really highlight it to see the effect. Listen, I think I messed up, because I don't think that it was a good idea to try those 2 hacks at the same time. I like the orange lipstick one, but keep in mind that lipsticks are made to be used on the lips. And if you use them on your face, on your skin, they can be quite clog-pogging. What did I just say? Pore clogging. There you go. You can actually try out this hack and see if color correcting does anything for you before buying a color correcting concealer. Something else that you can also use for color correcting under the eyes: cream blush. Same technique as the lipstick. Apply some of it under your eyes, concealer on top, boom, you're color corrected and snatched. I found one more hack that shows how to get that model's glow, how to shine like a star. I keep getting notifications on my phone and it's driving me crazy. Can you just stop? I hate it. So this girl here shows us that if you mix your favorite facial oil with your favorite highlighter, you'll get that amazing glow. That glow that looks absolutely stunning. So I have my oil here. Let me take my highlighter. I'm gonna use this one here by Natasha Denona. I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna also scrape some of that highlighter in there. Alright, we've got something like this. We're mixing that. It doesn't look like the best highlighter that you've ever seen, but let's try to apply it on the skin and see how it looks. I'm gonna take some of it on my sponge and here we go. Whoa, what do you have to say? It basically turns your highlighter into a liquid highlighter. And it looks super natural. I mean, even if you just apply some oil on your skin, that will make you super shiny. But mixing your oil with your highlighter, how I've never thought of that. It's simple math. You mix something super shiny with something super shiny, boom, you get something mega shiny. I love it. 10 out of 10 from me for this hack. The next hack will show us how to give ourselves freckles. Natural looking, fresh, lovely, amazing, beautiful little freckles. I love freckles, but I can never make them look natural. So let's see how this girl does her freckles. Her makeup is, oh, gorgeous.
Is an instant brush cleaner, you guys. Look at this. Oh my, it looks like this, but you know what's even cheap? Kitchen sponges from Walmart. Super cheap, way cheaper than...
I bought this sponge here from eBay a very long time ago. So, it feels so weird touching it. I have that very strange thing with textures. Like sometimes when I touch some things, I'm like, ugh, I don't know, I can't really explain it. This is one of those things, by the way. Do you know that velour beauty blender? Oh my god, I almost die when I touch that thing. Did she spray it with something? Let's try it out dry. So she basically took some eyeshadow on it. I think I'm doing something wrong.
Here we go again.
Whoa, slow down, hold on there.
Seriously, stop.
Don't do it.
I'm not sure it's supposed to look like this. I look like I was cleaning the fireplace. This looks like I have dirt on my face. It doesn't look like freckles. Yeah, we're gonna definitely keep on looking for a technique to do freckles. This definitely doesn't work for me. I'm sorry. I really wish it worked. Maybe if I try to blend them with my sponge and stuff. I don't know. Maybe she used a different sponge. But her came out perfectly. How did she do that? Next hack. Next hack. Ooh. I don't know what was that.
Hi guys, so I'm just showing you this little video on how to get the last little bits of your makeup out. So instead of using the little bit that you get in it, get like a makeup brush like this, dip it in, swirl it around, and literally look how much you got.
Whoa! This is my Fenty Beauty foundation. As you can tell, I've used all of it. What a surprise! When I tried to pump some product out, nothing is coming out anymore. I thought that the pump was going all the way down, but look how short it is. So let's try to get some of it out. See, if I squeeze it like that, nothing is coming out. Oops, I lied. Alright. Let's see what brush I'm gonna sacrifice. Oh, look at all of that foundation! Oh my god! And the best part is that I can just dip my brush in there, take out some product, apply it on my face, do what I want to do, and then close it again. I mean, yeah, it should be, you should be able to close it. Why can't close it? My point is that if I cut the tube to get some of the product out, I won't be able to close it again. I mean, I can, but it gets way too complicated. I can just put the pump back and close it. Although I can't do it now, and I don't know why. Come on, don't embarrass me like that. Alright, I got it. Thank you. Oh, that's a very nice hack. Look at all of that product. Thank you so much. This is definitely useful. So this next hack is very weird. In the first half of the video it kind of makes sense, but then it gets weird. Here's what I'm talking about. Dry lips? No worries, use honey, get it on the back of the spoon, rub it on your lips, leave on for 5 minutes, and then here's the weird part. She takes a piece of tape and she sticks it on her lips with the honey. I don't know, maybe the honey is warming up, it's mixing with the glue from the tape, it's creating an awesome formula which transforms your lips and makes them super juicy and I don't know, but I'm here to try it out. What can possibly go wrong? Every time I say that in a video, something goes wrong. At this point, when I say what can possibly go wrong, it's a warning. Put on your seatbelts. Guys, I have a spoon with my name on it. That's me flexing here. How many people can say that? Alright, so I'm gonna take some honey on the back of that spoon. I wanna lick that. I don't wanna apply it on my lips. Oh, it makes sense now. It makes perfect sense why they're applying tape on it. Because if you apply tape on it, you can't lick it. Oh my god. How did they do that? It's not sticking. That tape took off all of my foundation. Okay. I need a fresh piece of tape. Guys, it's not working. No, it is working.
12 seconds later.
I'm giving up. How did they came up with the idea for that? Did they kidnap someone? Tape on the mouth? Like, come on! Yeah, I don't think that this made my lips look better. Oh my god, I got honey all over my desk. Ah, I love that for me. Yeah, guys, I wouldn't recommend you to try it out. It doesn't make any sense to put tape on your lips. You can use some honey. If you can manage to leave it on your lips for 5 minutes before licking it, that's awesome. I have an alternative for this hack. It's called lip balm. And guess what? You don't have to put tape on your lips. Yay! I want you guys to let me know down in the comments which hack you want to try out. I think that the foundation hack was very useful. The one that you put a brush in there and you take out all the leftovers. The one with the oil and the highlighter was also an amazing hack. Look at that glow. Feel free to send me TikTok hacks that you want me to try out. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please very gently press that like button. Do it with love and care. Like, thank you. And if you want to support my channel, there is something very easy you can do. Subscribe. It's free and it definitely helps me a lot. I also have a second channel here on YouTube. You can check it out. It's right here. Right here. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!